Welcome to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into creating a layered text effect in Illustrator using a script I designed myself. Trust me, it's super simple and the results are incredible. First, open Illustrator and start with a new artboard. I like to cover mine with a dark background for this effect. It really makes the design pop. You can pick any color you like, and if it helps, you can lock the layer, but that's totally optional. Now, grab the Type tool and type out your text. For this demo, I'm using the word retro. Here's a little tip. Fixed-width fonts, like modern cyber or text styles, work beautifully for this. They give the design a sleek, structured look. Adjust the size as needed, and feel free to set a color now, or you can do it later. It's completely up to you. Next, go to the File menu, select Scripts, then Other Scripts, and load the script I've linked in the description. It's super easy to use, and the best part? It gives you so much creative flexibility. Honestly, you can experiment with the settings and create endless styles. For this tutorial, I recommend using white outlines if you're working with a dark background. It really makes the design stand out. Once you hit OK, the script generates the layered text effect. If the new layers are behind your design, just cut and paste them to bring them forward. From here, I like to tweak the background color to make everything blend perfectly with the design. Here's where it gets really fun. You can expand the design and use the Pathfinder tool to divide all the layers, except the main text layer at the top. Once that's done, I select all the white parts, cut them, delete the background it created, and then paste the white parts back. Then, using the Pathfinder tool again, I combine everything into a single, seamless layer. To finish it off, I'll grab the Gradient tool and apply a few effects. This is where you can really experiment. Play around with it and see what works for you. Finally, I'll change the main text color to something that complements the gradient. And that's it. The effect is done, and it looks incredible. How easy and cool is that? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to download the script, give it a try, and share your results in the comments. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more awesome scripts, tutorials, and design tips. Let's keep creating together.